In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily set up a crypto savings plan on the platform Coinbase. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Coinbase, simply go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $50 in bonuses depending on how much you've traded in the first 14 days. You can reach those different bonuses in here. So if you trade at least for $100, you will get $5, and for at least $5,000, $20, and for at least $10,000, you get a $50 bonus. To create your account and be eligible for the bonuses, simply click right here on sign up. Then you will get to this page right here where you can enter your email address, click on continue and set a password, or simply use your Google or Apple account. So once we've gone through the verification process and logged into our account, we come to this page right here. And now to set up a savings plan, you need to make sure that you have down here advanced deactivated. So you can see right here on the right side, this window where you can set up an order. Then we need to make sure that we click on buy. And here, instead of one-time order, we need to choose recurring buy. Then you can choose the frequency. So daily, weekly, 2 times a month, or once in a month. In my case, I'm simply going to choose weekly. Then you need to type in how much you want to invest. In my case, I'm going to choose 30 euro, for example. And then down here, you can select the payment method. Either you can choose your euro balance, then you just need to make sure that you also have a recurring deposit set up with a bank transfer from your own bank account, so you always have enough available capital in here. Or what you can also do is just click down here on add a payment method, and then link it to your credit or debit card or your PayPal account, and then it will just use the funds from one of those accounts to execute the buy. In my case, I'm going to simply choose this right now because it's simple, and then I can choose down here the cryptocurrency I want to buy. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm simply going to stick with Bitcoin for now, and then just click on review order down here. And then I can see again, okay, I'm going to buy 30 euros of Bitcoin every week. I'm paying with my euro balance in this case, and then all I need to do is just click on place order down here, and I've set up my savings plan. Don't forget to pick up your $50 bonus by creating an account with the first link from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.